Welcome to eVision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. eVision provide job and IT MNCs.
Hello, my name is Karthik. I belong to Chikmagalur of Karnataka state. I have done engineering in electronics and communication from BNMIT Bangalore, and I was placed for HCL through campus placement, and I worked there for around 3 years from 2014 till 2017 as an associate consultant, and later on I quit the job for the preparation of government exams. So, and when I got to know about eVision, and I joined eVision on 22nd April 2024. So right now, and I have been I got an offer from IPDigital Pvt Ltd company. So, and I thank Nidhi, HR Nidhi from eVision. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for? Join eVision, join job.